In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase the font size on Facebook. If you've ever found yourself squinting at your screen, struggling to read posts, comments, or any other sections of Facebook, don't worry, I'm here to help you make your browsing experience more comfortable. Let's dive right in and make those fonts more readable. First, you'll need to open up your Facebook account. Go ahead and log in if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. There, you should see your profile photo or a small circular icon. Click on it. This is your gateway to accessing several important settings that will help us adjust the font size. After clicking on your profile photo, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, look for the option labeled Display and Accessibility. This section contains a variety of settings designed to make your Facebook experience more tailored to your needs, including options to adjust the visual aspects of the platform. Click on Display and Accessibility to proceed. Now, within the Display and Accessibility menu, you'll find several options. What we want to focus on is the compact mode setting. By default, Facebook may have this option set to on, which can make text appear smaller and more condensed. To increase the font size, you'll want to click on Off. This action will deactivate the compact mode, giving you larger and more spaced out text, making everything on your screen much easier to read. And that's it. You've successfully increased the font size on Facebook. This change should make your time on the platform more enjoyable, as you won't have to strain your eyes to read content. If at any point you want to switch back to the smaller text, simply go back to Display and Accessibility and toggle the compact mode back to on. Remember, these settings are there to make your online experience more comfortable, so feel free to adjust them as needed. I hope you found this guide helpful and that navigating Facebook is now a more pleasant experience for you. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and have a great day.